What is a polar body in gamete formation? Imagine a tiny cell that's part of a big process to create life. That's what a polar body is in the world of gamete formation. It's a small cell made during the process of oogenesis, which is how female reproductive cells develop. When a primary oocyte, or the initial cell in the ovary, starts to divide, it goes through to special cell divisions called meiosis. These divisions are designed to make sure the egg ends up with just the right amount of genetic material. During the first division, called meiosis 1, the primary oocyte splits into two cells. One becomes a large secondary oocyte, which is the main egg cell ready for fertilization. The other is a tiny cell called the first polar body. This polar body gets almost no cytoplasm, which is the fluid that holds nutrients and organelles. Its job is not to become an egg but to help get rid of extra chromosomes. The secondary oocyte then goes through a second division, meiosis 2, and produces the mature ovum and a second polar body. Sometimes, the first polar body can split again, creating even more polar bodies. The main purpose of polar bodies is to help the egg keep the right number of chromosomes. They discard the extra set of chromosomes so the egg is haploid, meaning it has only one set of chromosomes, which is 23 in humans. This is important because, when the egg is fertilized by a sperm, the combined chromosomes will give the new baby the correct total of 46. Polar bodies also help conserve resources. Since most of the cytoplasm stays in the main egg, it has plenty of nutrients and organelles to support the early stages of embryo growth. These tiny polar bodies are not meant to develop into anything useful. They eventually break down and disappear. Their formation is a key part of the reproductive system's way of protecting and continuing the species. It ensures that the egg is ready for fertilization with the right genetic makeup and enough resources to support early development. This process highlights how the body carefully manages resources and genetic stability to keep life going.